The Africities is the largest democratic gathering organized in Africa. It is a materialization of decision and desire to reinforce the role of regional and local governments towards continental development and to construct the combination and team spirit of Africa from its territories.
Kisumu city next year play host to the largest Africities summit ever hosted on the African continent. My administration, Governor, will extend to the county government of Kisumu every support in order for you to be able to showcase Kenya and Kisumu to Africa and the rest of the world.
Under the patronage of the President of the Republic of Kenya, the 9th edition of the Africities Summit will be for the first time held in an intermediary city, Kisumu, from 17th to 21st May 2022. Kisumu is a port city, the third largest in Kenya, located on the northeastern shore of Lake Victoria, serving as the principal city of Western Kenya. It derives its name Kisumu from the Luo language meaning a place of barter trade. With over 5,000 square meters of exhibition space, the 9th edition of Africities Summit is expecting between 150 to 250 exhibitors, several thousand participants, and 3,000 local governments. Kisumu County welcomes you to Africities 2022 for Cities of the Future.